Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Toyota Sienna. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a steal with less than 7,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 36 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include protection package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and roof rails.